Here's how to create a shopping list. So you want to go over to your recipes tab and take a look at any of the recipes that you have. Click on the ones that you want, and you can add it to your list just by clicking on this shopping cart. First, make sure that you have the serving size that you want and click. Continue to your list and done. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to take a look at your shopping list cart, and it will take you to this view over here. If you want to add something to your list, you want to find it in the right-hand side under recipes and click on the recipe, and it will show you, pop up this list right here. Make sure you have the right serving size and add to shopping list.